Club members, your culinary nutritionist Michelle here with another tip from my kitchen to yours. Today we are taking a closer look into my utensil drawer at my most used utensils. Here we have my three favorite knives. First is the chef's knife, then the bread knife with the serrated edge that's great for cutting tomatoes, and finally my tiny paring knife here, which is probably my most used on a daily basis. Next is a pair of kitchen shears, which is great for snipping herbs, and a vegetable peeler, which I use daily to prep veggies for salads or roasting. A wooden spoon and a rubber spatula, which are great for stirring, and my instant read thermometer, which is the best way to know if your proteins are cooked thoroughly. Here are the tongs, which are a super versatile tool, as well as a whisk, which is great for scrambling eggs or whipping up salad dressing. A heat-safe rubber spatula for flipping everything from proteins to pancakes. My essential measuring cups and spoons. A handheld can opener to access all of those healthy canned goods we discussed in our last video. And lastly, my spring-loaded scoops for portioning muffins or even meatballs. Stay tuned for more kitchen tips coming soon.